Okay, we've got our head here. We've got this shape now down pretty decent. So we want to mark these eyes. I've cut up underneath the eyelids. So we're going to mark, we can use this 1-inch rubber ring because that's the size of our eyeballs. So we're going to mark these out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we got that on here. So we're going to drill these holes out for these eyes. And I'm going to use a 5/8 inch bit here for this. So what we have to do now is we have to open these up. So our eyeballs are going to fit in here okay. So we're going to open these up on the outside, then go into the inside, and we're going to have to come down about 3/4 of an inch there from the inside, so our eyeballs will stick out a little bit. That's what we want. So thanks for watching.